That's the garden. Yeah, that's the garden. Yeah. You know where your class at? Is this your class? Open the door. Good morning, guys. So I just dropped Ania off at school. I'm getting ready to head home, and it's still raining. Getting ready to head home and relieve hubby of his daddy duties so he can get ready and go to work. I'll check back in with you guys later. Stop hitting me. So we're just laying in bed because feeling a little under the weather. I have a sore throat. So we're laying in bed and they're watching PBS, and I think I'm about to take a nap. I really don't feel good, so they're in bed with mommy, and we're just chilling watching Nature Cat. Hey guys, so I just woke up to this alarm and it is time for me to go get my baby. I was thinking about going with my bonnet on, like, come on baby, let's go. She wouldn't care because she see me in this thing every day, but watching the videos later on in life, she's like, really, Mom? You showed up in a bonnet? Mm-mm. So yeah, I'm gonna put my wig on and go get my baby. See y'all later. And now I'm the kind of woman. So before me if I make it in the sand, don't tell him to. Here come your shoes.
Oh, but you blew my shoe.
Bug on your shoe?
Yeah, it blew my shoe.
Where we at?
What's here?
Where are we right now?
What's here?
What we about to do?
What's here?
You distracted by the bug.
Yeah, I got the bird.
You distracted by the bug. We about to get your sister. We about to get your sister. Where your sissy?
It's here.
She in there?
Yeah, here.
I don't know why George is so complicated. Be careful. Ania, stop. Because you're going to fall and hurt yourself. It's not raining like it was. It's just, it's a little drizzle.
That raindrop.
Yeah, a little drizzle.